Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about everything that you need to know about DG cashback offers. We're going to go through step by step the entire process and leave no stone unturned. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Now, jumping right in, I do want to go ahead and recognize that we have a lot of new DG couponers out there, so I do want to say welcome to our crazy couponing community. And if you did not know, I've already put together a playlist of a lot of different videos, how to type videos for beginners. So if you have not already checked that out, make sure that you do that. All you have to do is click on my name right below this video. That is going to take you to my home page on my YouTube channel, and then just click playlist up there at the top, and that will pull all of my playlists up. Find the one that says couponing for beginners and check out all of those videos. Now, also in that playlist, you may find a couple of other videos talking about the DG cashback offers. And I know in one of them, I kind of talked about how this program has evolved and how we got to where we are today. And in another one, I kind of give you my thoughts on the program and a few tips and tricks and things that I think about when I go through and look at these DG cashback offers. So if you want to check out either one of those videos, like I said, they will be in the Couponing for Beginners playlist. And then I'm also going to have all that linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, so now let's go ahead and jump into this video. I have tons of information that I need to share with you all, and we're just going to kind of walk through this step by step by step. So first up, the very first question, what is DG Cash? Well, DG cashback offers are actually rebate offers that you can find in the Dollar General app. These are not digital coupons. And the difference is that with digital coupons, once you type in your phone number at the register, that is going to subtract the coupons from your total transaction and lower your out-of-pocket. With the rebates, aka DG cashback, you're actually going to spend the money out of pocket, but once Dollar General verifies that you did purchase the correct products for those rebates, they're then going to give you the DG cashback on your account. And we're going to get into all of those details and how everything works here in just a few minutes. But I just want to go over the basics with you right now. So I also want you guys to remember that you cannot stack rebates and coupons on the same item. So for example, let's just say that you go into DG and you pick up one bottle of Gatorade, because we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, and we also have a $1 back cashback offer on our accounts. Well, this is what's going to happen. You're going to go up to the register, you're going to type in your phone number, and that digital coupon is going to be applied first. And since you used that digital coupon in that transaction, Dollar General is not going to give you the rebate back as well. So you have to use one or the other. Now, if you go back into the store the next week and you pick up another Gatorade, well, you've already used that digital coupon off of your account, but you still have the $1 rebate. So if you go back in, pick up that same Gatorade the second time, you will get the cashback offer. Now, with all of that being said, I want you guys to keep in mind that is how this system and the cashback offers program is supposed to work. However, since this is a brand new program, there's still a lot of little glitches happening, and there's still a lot of things that Dollar General needs to work out on their end. So if you guys are following me, like I said, there are some little glitches happening out there where the coupons are doubling up with the cashback. But like I said, that's not how the system is supposed to work. So if that does happen for you on your account, we are just going to take that as a blessing and keep it moving, right? All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at one of the DG cashback offers. Here we have 75 cents DG cashback when you purchase the all laundry pods. So I just wanted to pull this up to show you guys that you can click on the offers and it will give you more details. So for this rebate, you have a limit of 5. So it says you can redeem up to 5 times per purchase, and in Dollar General terms, that means per transaction. Now, these do act a lot like the Ibotta rebates, where you can hit that limit and then typically, I'm not going to say 100% of the time, but typically those offers will reset after 24 hours, and then you can clip them to your account again and use them again. So for this cashback offer, you can go into Dollar General and you can pick up a total of 5 bags of the all laundry packs, and you're going to get 75 cents back times 5 on your account for that transaction. And then, like I said, after 24 hours, those typically just reset, and you do have to go back in and re-clip that to your account. Now, you don't have to purchase 5 in order to take advantage of this rebate. I'm just saying that there is a limit of 5. So you can go in and purchase 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 in one transaction. All right, now next up, how to find DG cashback offers. Well, this is really easy, and there are actually 3 different ways that you can look at cashback offers. Number 1, you have to open up your DG app, click on deals at the bottom of the screen. You should see coupons and cashback offers up at the top. You can then click on filters. Then you're going to click on deal type and choose cashback. Then see results, and that will pull up all of your available cashback offers. Now, another way that you can find your DG cashback offers is by clicking on the wallet at the bottom of the screen, and then you're going to click your saved cash back, and that is going to bring up your saved coupons and offers. And number 3, you can also just simply click on the list at the bottom of your DG app and then click on saved deals. Again, that's going to take you to your saved coupons and offers folder in the Dollar General app. So that is all of the coupons and the offers that you have already clipped to your account. All right, next up, now how do we earn DG cashback? Well, number 1, you have to make sure that your offers are clipped to your account before you go to the store. Then you need to purchase the correct item for that offer that you're wanting. If you're not sure, the offers work just like the coupons do, so you can scan the item in the store, and if it is going to work with that rebate, the rebate will show up underneath that product. Now, once you get up to the register, you do have to type in your phone number just like we do with our digital coupons, because Dollar General has to track your transactions and see that you actually did purchase that. So once you type in your phone number, everything will be automatic. You don't have to worry about taking a picture of your receipt or anything like that. Now, I will say that in my experience, it does take about an hour for that Dollar General cashback to show up on your account. However, the website does say that it can take up to 48 hours, so keep that in mind. Which brings me into our next topic, which is how do we find our earned cash back? Well, it's really easy. All you have to do is open up your Dollar General app, click on the wallet at the bottom of the screen, and each transaction where you earned cash back will be listed right here, just like you see it on your screen. And then you can click on each transaction to see the details. So, for example, here's a deal that I did last week. I picked up 2 of the Palmolive dish soaps, and then I also found a couple of the penny items. So that put me at $11.02. We had $3 in instant savings plus a 1-off-1 digital coupon. So that left me paying $7 and some odd change out of pocket. But then we also had a DG cashback offer for $2 back on the Palmolive dish soap. So that did do a little glitch, and it did double up for me. So I did get a total of $4 in DG cashback on this transaction. All right, now that we have some DG cashback on our accounts, we need to figure out how we can spend it at the register, right? So this is really simple and easy. All you have to do is go up to the register, have the cashier ring up your items, and type in your phone number as usual. You want to make sure that the cashier hits and you are going to open up your DG app, and you're going to click on wallet and then scan to spend, and a barcode is going to pop up for you. Now, here's where things get a little bit complicated. Up until now, we're all on the same page. We're all doing the same things. But at this point, you need to figure out if you are at an old register store or a new register store. If you notice that the register is touchscreen only, that means you're at a new register store. If they still have the keyboards like you're typing on a computer, that means you're at an old register. So if you're at an old register store, you need to let the cashier know that you will be paying with DG Cash, and it will have to be entered like a gift card. So the cashier needs to hit F4 on the keyboard and then scan your barcode that you pulled up in your app. A message will pop up on the register, and the cashier will enter the amount of DG Cash that you want to spend. You do not have to use it all at once, and it may take a few minutes to process process, so just be patient. Now, if you're at a new register store, it's a little bit easier. You're going to go through those same steps, ring up your items, type in your phone number, make sure the cashier hits total, open up your Dollar General app, click on wallet, scan to spend, and then that barcode will pop up. The cashier will then scan your barcode. A message is going to pop up on the screen asking what amount of DG Cash that you want to use. The cashier will enter the amount and then hit enter. And again, don't forget to be patient and kind. Keep in mind that this is new to everyone right now, the employees, the managers, the cashiers, and the coupon. So let's just keep that in mind, and fingers crossed we won't have too many issues. All right, guys, I think I have covered all the basics. Hopefully that answers a lot of your all's questions, but if it didn't, if I missed anything, if you still have questions, just leave it for me down in the comment section below and I will be happy to help. All right, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and make sure that you stay tuned because I have more crazy, amazing deals to share with you all. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things: subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.